Discover Revit Systems Analysis. Integrated analysis and modeling, better design and performance. Use architectural models at any level of detail and completeness to quickly create accurate, analytical geometry. This is especially valuable for enabling systems analysis from the earliest stages of design, staying in sync with architectural development. This is the same analytical model used by Autodesk Insight, which now includes extended climate data, envelope material thermal, and building space type data. Capture HVAC system design intent with a simple sketch tool, attaching smart system objects from an extensive range of types to define which systems serve what regions of the building. This forms the basis for analysis, as well as downstream coordination, documentation, and detailing. Use Revit views and schedules to validate the model before analysis, and explore model outputs in graphical and tabular form. Powered by Energy Plus and built using the OpenStudio programming interface, Revit Systems Analysis ensures high trust and confidence and provides total transparency into how analysis is run and, critically, the ability to create custom workflows. This opens the door to much greater analytical physical workflow automation and whole building and system design optimization. Discover Revit Systems Analysis. Integrated analysis and modeling, better design and performance.